So the Beame-Gatekeeper doesn't just solve problems with remote device access, but it actually solves authentication problems as well. So using the Beame-Gatekeeper, you can authenticate web and on-premise apps that support SAML. So in this example, we're going to show you how we log in into Slack, which is a very popular application. We use it at Beame. So you go to your team page, you get a button just like you're used to, says, hey, sign in with Beame.io. Now, what's important to understand about this is not a cloud server that's hosting these credentials. This is your own Beame server that you install on your own box. It has its own URL. It doesn't touch Beame. We do not store your credentials. We do not store your crypto. We are zero knowledge and we will always stay that way. So basically, you can host your own identity provider that's TLS or actually PKI based. And here you see that we can just scan a QR and authenticate a web browser based on a public TLS cert. And the user just logs in and it's normal Slack, right? We can do the same thing on a mobile device. So this is, you're going to see this in a second. So you just basically select the application and you access Salesforce or Slack or any other SAML enabled application on your mobile device. There is a third option, which is called IDP initiated workflow. So you would go to a meaningful URL for your company in the web browser, scan the QR, and then select on the mobile. So just coming back to the demo without getting too carried away, we just clicked on Salesforce, and we're going to get Salesforce open on our mobile device without any additional questions. So what are the authentication factors? Well, one is the possession of the mobile device, right? It has a unique cryptographic key. To access that cryptographic key, you need to know the PIN code. That PIN code is only stored on the device, and that encrypts the container. So one factor is the phone. The second factor is the PIN code. You say, well, what's the big benefit out of this? It's out of the box, it's easy, and it supports real revocation, and there is no requirements to any roots on any devices because it's all public.